Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONO 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So in order to fastly turn it on and off, you have to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and find the eye comfort icon. Then simply tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode, so you will give a big relief to your eyes. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on it, and the screen will go back to its normal state. You can enter the settings just by tapping on this icon and holding it. You should be transferred to the settings, but I'd like to show you the full path of how to get to them it will be useful if for some reason your device will not transfer you to the settings. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to enter the display and brightness, and now eye comfort and sleep. So basically you've got the eye comfort kind of schedule. You can enable it all day, which simply means that you will have to turn it on and off manually, or you can schedule it. I'll show you first of all the manual option. Right now we can manage the filter level, which simply means that by going to the left you can make it cooler a little bit, and to the right a little bit warmer. It's up to you which option is most comfortable for you. As I said, you can schedule it, so you can pick the start and the end time, and your device will automatically enable this option. Here you've got also the night display, which simply means that your device will automatically adjust the screen color temperature, which will be based on your rhythm, to help you prepare a better night's sleep, as you can see. So it's up to you. Of course, you can turn it on and off just by using this switcher, and basically this is it. This is how to customize and how to turn on the eye comfort mode in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.